From Just8ate.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made this easy salmon stir fry. Let's hit the kitchen. Yeah. Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, and since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? How to marinate salmon for an easy stir fry. We're going to add some soy sauce. Next, add some mirin, which is a sweet cooking seasoning wine. Add some sesame oil. Marinate for an hour. Real quick, definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that you could be an 8 or 2, and definitely share out this recipe. And it's so easy, they could make it too. Use some sesame oil for the stir fry. Drop in your marinated salmon. Gently toss to the other side and make sure it's cooked all the way around. It's time for some food facts.
Most of the salmon you eat in restaurants and get at the fish counter is frozen, even at sushi restaurants. And that's a good thing. When wild salmon's caught, it's flash frozen right away to preserve the quality.
Now we're going to go ahead and put this aside.
Salmon is brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce the risk of high blood pressure, Alzheimer's, and rheumatoid arthritis.
After taking out the salmon, now we're going to put in our veggies. Onions, some garlic, putting in some shelled edamame, which is mukimame, into the stir fry. Now putting in some broccoli, carrots, celery, green onions, green peppers, mushrooms, and red peppers with some egg noodles. Now that we kind of have our veggies sauteed a little bit, I'm going to squeeze out some ginger paste. A drizzle of soy sauce. Like 1 teaspoon. Saute that in. Put your cooked and marinated salmon back into the stir fry. Check it out. That's how I made the easy salmon stir fry. Now I like to pair it with the Mexican cilantro lime rice. I know it sounds crazy because it's Asian and it's Mexican, but you know what? That's how I like it, and that's our household since, you know, we're multicultural over here. So definitely give it a try. And it's perfect for meal prepping. Yeah, let's make a bento. Definitely hit the like button because it helps out the channel, and definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so that you get notifications whenever we upload another video. But hey, definitely comment down below to let me know if you did that by hitting the red subscribe button and the bell, and that you're a proud subscriber. And at the same time, comment and let me know if you liked this video, and or if you shared it out with a family and friend because they might need it. I don't know. Thank you so much for watching, and here's a shout out of the week from the last uploaded video. Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friend, always expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's just keep chasing the flavor, my 8ers. I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video. I'll see you maybe in the link in the description down below because there's plenty other videos. And or there's a video in the corner of the screen. pairing my easy salmon stir fry with my Mexican cilantro lime rice. Check out that recipe video if you're interested. But yeah, it goes well together. I know it sounds crazy, but try it.